Text: Missions at Sunbow Apartment Homes. A furnished living room seamlessly connects to a dining area. Paintings stud the walls of the living room, in which rests a sectional sofa, a coffee table, and a console. Above the console is a television. In between the living and dining areas is a door along the wall. Next to the door is a small mirror with a surrounding acicular, taupe design. In the dining area is a round table with 4 chairs. The coffee table and console bear a black metal frame with wood finishes. In the center of the room, a ceiling fan spins. In between the console and the kitchen is a nook and a door that leads into a bedroom. 2 corner windows illuminate the dining area. Below a window rests a thin table adorned with tableware. Next to the dining area is a kitchen with speckled, light brown countertops, off-white shaker cabinets, and black appliances. A peninsula juts out, separating the kitchen from the living room. In the peninsula is a double stainless steel sink. In a corner of the kitchen is a counter with a stool. We move from the living room into the bedroom, which has a distressed gray dresser, a dark wood desk, and a bed with a white channel-tufted headboard flanked by 2 end tables. Opposite the bed is a door leading to a walk-in closet. Near the bedroom entrance is a door leading to a bathroom with speckled light brown countertops, off-white cabinets, a tub shower, and a toilet above which hang 2 towel racks. Opposite the toilet is a wall-height mirror. In a laundry room with a closet. We move into a bedroom, where 2 windows illuminate a bed and dresser above which sits a mirror. Near the bed is a walk-in closet. In a bathroom, its layout reflects the first bathroom. Text: Missions at Sunbow Apartment Homes. Above the text, a flat orange flower.